Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so it is me from the future. The only reason I'm doing this was because this video I just went straight to the point. Only why? Because y'all, I was rambling and rambling and rambling for like 4 fucking minutes. I was like, girl, you talk too much. So basically, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be unboxing my new Sony camera because I think I mentioned in my past videos where I'm always running out of storage on my phone. I can't really do videos like that. So it got to the point where my man was like, you know what? I'm gonna get you a camera for Mother's Day. So I ended up getting the Sony camera, and basically here in this video, we're just gonna be unboxing it together, seeing my first reaction, and testing it out and all that. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching today's video because
I always wanted like a big like a camera, and I wanted the camera where I can see myself on the screen on the side type shit. Because if I record this on the other way, the other camera, I can't see myself. I have to like peek at the mirror. So this one I can actually see myself. So I did end up getting the Sony. There is some issue with this camera that people say that the battery doesn't last. That people say that it overheats. Some people say that when you're like vlogging, it shakes a lot. I don't fucking know. I just know that I did protection plan on this shit. And I told my man, I was like, I think in a month. I don't know how long is the warranty on this one because when it's like an Apple, you have like a whole year, I guess, to like return it. I don't fucking know. So I was like, if I don't fucking like it for shit, I'll fucking just return it and I'll just get the DJ Osmo. Main reason I also didn't want the DJ Osmo because told me why the freak. Suppose when you're like recording, right? You have like your video will be grayish, like grayish type shit. And then when you like go and edit on the app CapCut, whatever app you use, you have to like change the filter. And I'm not trying to do all that with like every freaking video. Come on now. I just want to like record, go to upload it. No, I just want to record, edit like a little bit, cut the bad parts, cut the ugly parts, and then like add like some cute sticker, whatever I get entry after, then boom, upload. You're good to go. But I'm not trying to be doing all that other shit. Come on now. Come on now. So yeah, so I did with my scissors. I'm gonna be opening it very carefully. Oh my god. Oh my god, yo, I'm so freaking excited. Look at her. This is the one I got. It's the Sony CVE10. Oh my god, look at this gorgeous. Before I show y'all, I did got some accessories as well, which I'm carefully gonna open them because what if I don't like this camera? What the fuck am I gonna do with this? Should I return it as well? So yeah, I got a little camera, little case thingy. My man was like, why do you get like pink? It's so funny because I like the color pink. Like a couple of my stuff is pink. Like I like pink, but I'm not like pink type shit, But tell her my mom was talking about like printers, right? And she was like, I know you didn't get the pink printer. And I was like, I did. She's like, oh, because you don't look like you like pink. Like you don't like pink. And I was gonna get this in pink. So I'm like, girl, I do like pink. All my kitchen shit is pink. Like I do. But I don't like really like it don't really grab my attention like that, My favorite color is blue and black. But the only reason I got black because since this camera look pretty big, I don't want to be like put myself like the attention on my camera type shit. That's why I got black. For now, when I get more comfortable, if I do keep the camera, if I get more comfortable, pues I'll just get another fucking case. It's not that fucking hard. And then I also got some little screen protector thingy for my camera, which comes with a pack of 3. Then I also got a card reader because I do plan on editing my videos on my iPad. So when I first got my iPad, I originally got it because I was having this same issue with my phone. So I was transferring all my stuff on there, and that's where I do all my editing with my pencil and shit. So I do want to still keep it like that, transfer all my stuff to my iPad. I don't want to do it none on my phone no more. Just on my phone, I told my man, I just want to use my phone to record like quick videos on TikTok, type shit. I don't want to be dealing with like, what the fuck going on? I'm just scratching it like fucking red. I'm not trying to be dealing with all that extra shit. What the fuck? Weird. And then I also got a, hopefully the SIM card fits. Hopefully, if not, I'm like fucking flip, honestly. But that's the one I got. And I did get the 256 gigabytes because I need me a lot of storage, y'all. Then the last thing I got was a tripod. Suppose this brand overall is like really good. And then I also got this one because I don't have a tripod. The tripod that I had, the white one, I'm throwing that shit away, which is right there on the floor because that shit doesn't even fit. And the tripod I'm currently using right now to record on my phone, I'm giving it to my man because it's meant for iPhone. It's not really meant for like tripods and shit. So also my man was telling me, he's like, are you gonna get like a ring light? Because we had planned we were gonna get a ring light because for videos and shit, but it turns out I have this one and I took the batteries out. What the fuck did I do the batteries out? I recently took them off. And suppose this one fits on the camera, like I don't have to like be It was meant for like your phone, but when I clip it on my phone like this, let's say this is the phone, I'll clip it, like blocks like the whole camera. So hopefully it will work for this. So here's all the paper shit. And then this is how it looks. And then this is how it looks. Okay, this is the little myth.
Damn it, bitch! I said let go!
Come on. Which is meant to like block like the, if you go out or something, it blocks like the whole wind, like the dust, whatever. So comes with that. Comes with a charger. And then it comes with like the strap thing. I'm not gonna open the account. I think I'm gonna be using that shit. And then, oh, fucking clumsy ass for real. And then it comes with, I saw it online, there's a battery pack. Yeah, it's a battery pack. Has this, okay. Oh, bro, this shit is big as fuck. A bitch. Oh fuck, no, I'm like this. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Nah, this shit is ginormous, y'all. I'm not gonna fucking lie. This is what I wanted it for. And you can like form it like that. And you can put it back like that. And then you, oh, okay, my dumbass, you gotta fucking close it. And then where does the SIM card go? Okay, I'm back. So here's a little funny story. I was gonna originally get this on eBay because eBay was like way cheaper, right? But I told my man, I was like, I don't know why, don't attack me, y'all, but when I think of eBay, I think, because my brother, my older brother, always used to get stuff on eBay and his shit will always be used. So I always like had that idea where like eBay shit is fucking used stuff, but probably not. You can buy like, that's what I think. Like everything is pretty used, obviously. I don't like see it as new. And I was gonna get my camera on there because it was like way cheaper. But tell me why I didn't, because we was reading the reviews and some lady has stated that everything came minus like the lens. Like it didn't have the lens. And she was like, if I had known, I wouldn't have bought it because I had to spend 100, cause to buy separate lens it's like 100, I think 40 or 60 dollars. And at the time I was like, thank God we read the message, like the review, because I'm not gonna be buying a fucking separate lens. Hopefully this shit fits. Look at this shit. Oh my gosh, it's fucking gorgeous. Okay, so I connected, I turned it on, and it says battery exhausted. So that means that shit's fucking dead. Great. Like that. Let's open this. Here's how it looks, you see. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get off a little bit. I'll come back in a bit when this shit charges. I don't know how long it takes to charge. It doesn't say here. Right now, this is how it looks, y'all. Like the quality, y'all, is French kiss. What the fuck? So yeah, for this one, it's like this. I also want to make it where you can't like really hear that, because I don't want that. Oh, I think that's what it means. I think it just meant like I see myself right here. You see? You see? Let's put the bad boy on. So this is how the case looks. Like I said, I just got a black case because I didn't want to really be getting like a colorful case because I'm still like shy. And I'm gonna have to get used to the camera because she's bulky, y'all. She's pretty big. She's like a good size, but I think what like bugs me, like I think the issue is like the lens. Cause like the lens is like makes the camera look huge. That's the only issue. Besides that, she's a doll. I love it. Now we're gonna put on this little protector thingy. Let me try to open it. I spent a total, so the camera cost $800. It is more pricier than the Osmo, which is kind of crazy to think about it because, you know, it's butt, I guess, like camera battery wise. But yeah, the quality eats. I'm not gonna lie on that. Like the quality is bomb. I love it. Like literally testing it out right now. The quality is just like so good. What can I say? What can I say? What can I say? So I'm just gonna have to get used to it, honestly. And then put this, wipe it down. No biggie. And then put her on. Now let me clear all that dust, because I don't want no dust on this shit. Look at that. Bomb. Oh, she's so cute. Yeah. Wait, she should go like this. I don't know what the fuck this is. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this shit's pretty heavy. Like, it does bring the camera down. Whoa. It's meant to extend, but it's not extending here. So yeah, this is how she looks. She's cute, she's gorgeous, love her. But yeah, y'all, so this is the camera. I'm still learning, y'all. This is my first time having a camera, so this is how she looks, giving all that black detail. It has like a little bird, which is meant for that. Just the only thing I need to look on Google, on Amazon, if this fucking extends. If not, I might have to return it. But I don't know, y'all, because look, right here it shows that it extends on the photos. So okay, because I want to be like, bro, I want this for my video and I'm not trying to have low shit. Okay, this is a good size. Whoa, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, never mind. I was gonna be like, it's kind of wobbly, but no, it's pretty good. Camera I got, once again, I did get it on Best Buy, so I will link all of these items down below in the description box if y'all want to go check that out. And as always, y'all, don't forget to hit that like and hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Louis,